We're on step number
Today
9.
we put together the
Jason's
greenhouse.
gonna put all the shelves in. It's
That's
gonna
such
be
an amazing
like a real
day.
greenhouse now.
Shelves go.
Had so much help from
Oh,
Julesy
that's cute. It just sits around there.
and Kate with the camera, doing such a good job.
Yeah, and if we need more space in here, we'll put like a piece of cardboard.
Like our video and
Yeah.
subscribe to our channel
Yeah.
if you'd like to watch more.
I need to pull.
Many more videos to come.
That's a good idea. Came with 8 shelves. And we could put stuff on the ground.
Yeah. That's why I want to put cardboard down underneath.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Alright, so we got all the shelves up.
This is
Now,
Wannabe
number
Farmers,
7.
and we're gonna have lots of videos.
And this pen
At the Happy
we are
House.
done. Then we put the plastic on.
Someday we're gonna
We
have
ourselves a
Sheare
greenhouse.
Farm, where we're gonna shear sheep and grow lots of vegetables and herbs.
Oh, there's a little hole up here to put this little piece in to hold this all together, to hold our frame together. And there's not one there, so it just kind of hooks and goes over the bar like this and holds in the middle. There probably should be,
A tie or something.
there should be some little holes there. Right?
I don't know. It looks good.
Unless. No, that's gonna be how it goes.
It's cute,
Right?
baby.
Huh?
It's cute.
Yeah, it's
You're
beautiful.
cute
like you.
too. Woo, you're so
Beautiful
cute.
like my baby.
You can see our ugly neighbor's house in the back. I'll show you our
Well, it
little
looks
yard.
like there should be one with 2 holes on the top. This
Maybe.
one goes in the middle.
Oh, I was gonna say maybe it's not the middle one. See our greenhouse from there?
This is our little area, and
Show you our
we're
whole
gonna turn it
yard.
into a
This is our driveway.
beautiful,
We
beautiful,
park our car here. Up to
flower-filled
that ugly
farm.
tree in the middle, where the clothesline thing is. That's where our yard starts, or ends, I should say. So it goes all this way over. We have a little space over here. We're gonna probably build some little boxes right here. And I'm not sure where we're gonna put the greenhouse, but we're gonna hook it up. We just moved in, so
Like and subscribe.
greenhouse was our
Don't
first
forget,
purchase.
push that
For the
like
yard. We're really
and
excited.
subscribe button.
So is Jason. He's so excited. He can't hide it.
God bless everybody.
We're happy. That's all that matters.